Hello and welcome back to all my students. Today's class is a continuing class. Today we are going to study chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression of class 10, and this is the part 2. Part 1 already we have done in our previous class, and this is part 2. I am Surajit Day and you are watching my YouTube channel ECONOMATRIX Day. No drama, no confusion, but only education.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now, class 10 students, we have already studied the basics of this chapter in part 1, and this is part 2 of chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression. So in part 1, what we understood? We understood, let me write it here, A. A stands for first term. We understood this one. And before A, we understood what is the meaning of pattern. Okay. Then we understood D. D is called common difference. I am writing in short, okay. D means common difference. And then we studied the general form. General form. And what we studied in the general form of an AP? General form of an AP? A, comma, A plus D. D means A plus 1D, 1 into D. Then A plus 2D. Then A plus 3D, and so on. Okay. Now we are going to understand one more new thing. What is that one more new thing? So if I say in an AP, that means already one AP is being given to you. Okay. So in an AP, and you can say first term is A, and common difference is D. That means one AP is being given to you and they have already told that the first term is A and the common difference is D. Okay. Then if I want to find out the nth term, then nth term. Now nth term means, or we can say, or general term. Okay. So nth term or general term is, okay, then we can find out the nth term or the general term. Now this nth term or the general term we write in short AN. Okay. General term or nth term we write AN. And what is the formula? Formula is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the formula of the nth term. Okay. Now all of you have to understand the formula and you have to know the formula. You can memorize also, okay, but very easy. Now let me explain you, okay, how this is coming, okay. Suppose if I take one example, okay, like previous example only, okay, 3. Then if I add 2, it becomes 5, again adding 2, it becomes 7, then 9, then dot dot dot. Clear? So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, okay, then 13, then 15, then 17, then 19. Suppose it finishes in 19, okay, it is finishing in 19, okay. Now see, understand nicely. Now first term, that is A. A is what? Now you will tell A, already I told you first term. We can write A, first term A1 also. A1 and A both are same only, okay, and it is how much? 3, okay, and already it is told this is an AP, this is an example in an AP, this is already it is in an AP, okay. So D we can easily find out, okay. So what I can do, this is A1, this is A2, A3, A4 like this way, okay. So this is what? A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4 like this way. This is A how much? A how much? Okay, so we don't know, we can write here N, okay, nth term, that's why it is told nth term, understanding. And D is how much? 5 minus 3, how much it is? 2, clear? So when A is given, when D is given, then we can easily find out A nth term, okay. And what is the formula? A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This n, any nth term, okay, we can find out, clear? Got it? N can be 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, that means 8th term, 9th term, 10th term, anything we can find out, okay, understanding or no? So like this way, 1, 2, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term. 10th term also you can find out. See, A 10 if you want to find out, equal to A value is how much? 3 plus N is how much? 10 minus 1 into D is how much? 2. So what you get? 3 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 2. So 3 plus 2 9 is 18 or 9 2 is 18 and 3 plus 18, 21. So I got the 10th term, okay, A10, that means the 10th term I got it. Clear up to this much? Then we will proceed to the next part, okay. Now we are going to start solving exercise 5.1, okay, and 5.1 question number 1, okay, the MCQ portion part A and B portion is also there. So we are not solving now, okay, we will solve little bit later, okay. Why? Because first we want to do the easy sums, after that slowly we will come to the difficult ones, okay. So first we will start from question number 2, B2. So B, question number B2, okay, and before that let me write here the formula also, okay. Nth term just now which we studied, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, okay. So what we studied? A, then D, that is common difference, then we studied the general form of an AP, and then we studied the nth term. So many formulas, okay. Now let us see what they are asking in the question. Exercise 5.1, question number B2, okay. Write first 4 terms. They are telling first 4 terms of an AP. When the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. That means the first term A is given to you and the common difference, here is the common difference, and the common difference is also given to you. See, A Roman 1 is what? A is 10, D is 10, okay. So we know the general form of an AP. First one is what? A is how much? 10, okay. Then next one is what? A plus D. So A is 10 and D is how much? 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. Very easy, okay. Then next one is what? a plus 2d. So 10 plus 2 into d is how much? 10. So 10 plus 2 into 10, 20. So how much you get? 30. And then a plus 3d. So 10 plus 3 into 10. So what you get? 10 plus 3 into 10, 30. So what you get? 40. So you can see we got the 4 terms. Can you see or no? First one is 10, then 20, then 30 and then 40. So what we will write? Therefore, the first 4 terms of an AP is, or we can say of the AP is, first one is what? 10, then 20, then 30 and then 40. Finished. And this is the answer. Clear? Okay. See, A 10, D 10. So A is 10, next one is 20. How I got? A plus D. I am using the general form of an AP. Then A plus 2D. Okay, I got 30. Then A plus 3D and I got 40. So the first 4 terms. If they ask 5 terms, then A plus 4D. If they ask 6 terms, then A plus 5D. Clear? Now we will move on to the next sum. Okay. Now Roman 2. Okay. A is how much? Minus 2. D is how much? 0. So same way I will use the same formula. A is how much? Minus 2. And D is what? 0. So second term will be what? A plus D. Then minus 2 plus 0. So how much you will get? Minus 2 only. Then A plus 2D. So minus 2 plus 2 into 0. So minus 2 plus 2 into 0 is 0 only. So you are getting minus 2. A plus 3D. So minus 2 plus 3 into 0. So minus 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. So what you get? Minus 2. So here you can see all the 4 terms are coming same only. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So what I will write? The first 4 terms of the AP is minus 2, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 2. And this is the answer. Okay. Now we will move on to the next sum, that is Roman 3. A is how much? 4. D is how much? Minus 3. Before that, if you like my video, then please give a like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe it. And also press the all notification bell so that whenever I upload such videos, you will get the notifications first. Now let us come back. So question number 2, Roman 3. A is how much? 4. D is how much? Minus 3. Only the values of A and D are changing. Okay. So A will be how much? 4. Now A plus D will be what? 4 plus then minus 3. I am putting one extra bracket. Okay. For safety. Clear no? So 4 plus minus minus 3. So what you get? 1. Clear? Then 4 plus 2 into minus 3. Clear? So here 4 plus into minus minus 2 into 3 6. So 4 minus 6, that means plus 4 minus 6. So plus and minus different sign, so we will subtract. So 6 or 4, if we subtract, you are getting 2. And the sign which one we will take? Which is big, 6 or 4? 6. 6 is having what sign? Minus. So we will take here minus 2. Clear? Then next one, 4 plus 3 into minus 3. Okay. So what do you get? 4. Again plus into minus, minus. 3 into 3, 9. Again see, plus 4 minus 9. Different sign. So we will subtract. So 4 and 9 subtracting, you get 5. and the sign 9 is big. 9 is having what sign? Minus. So we will take here minus. Clear? Now what are the 4 terms? 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So we will write it here. Therefore the first 4 terms of the AP are, okay, so what I will write? 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Clear? I wrote is, but it will be not is. They are not asking 1 term, they are asking 4 terms. So the first 4 terms of the AP are, okay. I think Roman 3 you have understood. Now we will move on to the next sum, okay. Now Roman 4. So what is A? A value is minus 1 and D value is what? Half, 1 by 2. So let us do, here is the fraction, no problem. So minus 1, okay. Then A plus D. So minus 1 plus half. Now minus 1 plus half, if you do LCM, so 2 will be here, okay. So 1 minus 1 means what? Minus 1 by 1 downside. So 1 or 2 LCM is 2 only. So 1, 2 is 2, 2 into 1, 2. So minus 2 plus, okay, 2 how much are 2? 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So minus 2 plus 1, minus plus. What we do? We subtract. So 2 or 1 subtracting is 1. And the sign we will take minus and 1, and then downside it is 2. This step is very important where you are doing the LCM. 1 or 2 LCM is 2. Now 1 how much are 2? 1, 2 are. 2 will be multiplied with the numerator. 2 into 1, 2. Again here 2, the denominator is same. 2 how much are 2? 1 are. 1 will multiply with the numerator 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Now minus 2 plus 1. Minus or plus we subtract. So 2 or 1 subtracting is 1. And the sign will be what? Minus. We will take minus. So minus 1 by 2. Clear? Next one. Again minus 1 plus. Okay. So 2D. 2 into 1 by 2. Now 2 cancels. So what is left here? Minus 1 plus 1. Now minus 1 plus 1 is ultimately 0. Clear? Then the last one. Minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So what you get? Minus 1 plus 3 into 1, 3 by 2. So again we will do LCM. So what you will get? 2. 1 how much are 2? 2 is 2 into 1. So it will become minus 2. Then plus 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are. 1 into 3, 3. So what you will get here? Minus 2 plus 3. So only 1 by 2. Clear? So you are getting what? 1 by 2. So therefore the first 4 terms of the AP will be what? Minus 1, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, 0, comma, and last one will be 1 by 2. That is plus 1 by 2. Clear up to this much? Okay. Now we will come to the fifth one. Okay. Roman 5. A value is what? Minus 1.25 and D is what? Minus 0.25. So the first one will be A will be what? Minus 1.25 given only. Second one will be what? A plus D. So A is how much? Minus 1.25 plus, and we will write here 0.25. Now minus 1.25 plus minus, if I open, minus 0.25. Now how much it will be? Minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Both are minus minus. That means we have to add same sign, but the sign will be minus. So we will add it 1.25 and 0.25. So 10, 1, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, point below point and 1. So what you get? 1.50. Clear? You can write minus 1.5 also. Okay. Then next one, a plus 2d. So minus 1.25 plus 2 into d value is what? Minus 0.25. So minus 1.25. Okay. Now plus into minus, minus. Now 2 into 0.25. Okay. If I do the rough, okay. So 0.25 into 2. Clear? So it will be 0.50. 2 5s are 10, 1. If you can do orally, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do the rough. 2 to the 4, 5. Okay. And then 2 digits are there, 1, 2. So the point will be from this side after 2 numbers. Okay. So 0.50. So 0.50. So now again see minus minus, same sign we will add, but the sign will be minus. So my 1.25 and 0.50. So what you get? 5, 7, point below point 1. So 1.75. Clear up to this much? Then the last one, a plus 3d. Okay. So minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. Again same way, minus 1.25. Clear? Then minus. Now 3 into, see, plus into minus, minus. 3 into 0.25. 0.25 into 3. That means 25 into 3 is 75 only. So 0.75. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. And I told you after point 2 digits are there. So from here the point will come here. Clear? So 0.75. Now minus minus we add, but the sign is minus. Okay. So 1.25 and 0.75. So if I add it, 10, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 1, 10, again 1, so it comes 2, and point below will be point. So what you get? 2.0. Clear? We got all the 4 terms. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the AP are what? Minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 2.0, and this is the answer. I hope you have all of you have understood nicely how to use the general form of an AP to find out the first 4 terms or first 5 terms or 6 terms. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Take care, keep smiling and keep practicing the sums again and again. We will see you in the next part, that is part 3. Till then, bye bye.